And every vlog I go hard for y'all. This is vlog number 8. I'm feeling great. To get better, I can't wait.
Seem like you're in here. Good. Now we gotta get back on course. Step forward. Good. And now we'll get it nice and
I
straight.
go hard every day. I can't wait to be back great. Deuces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm by myself. I don't need a friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said in the other vlog, my cousin's name is Little Kid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost fell, but I didn't. And then I'll go straight. Bang! Bang! Balance. Bang! Oh shit. I was in that coop. Almost got ejected off the roof. Bang! Bang! But to myself, I stay true. And somehow, ended up at inside out the blue. Steps, I take a few. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm new to Detroit Zoo. Oh, woo. Balance. Woo.
These next ones, I want you to try to land your feet on the colors with your steps. So the left foot would be on the yellow.
Step.
Big step.
Step.
Good.
Step. Low key made it. Step.
Good.
Step.
Step it. Ending it with a bang before we sit. Say it again, Arion.
This so hard to do. But I'm gonna try it too.
Never give up.
Oh shit.
Hurry.
You see that? Woohoo. Oh, I'm falling.
Nope. You got it.
No.
Step.
Like I said, this one number 8, I'm finna do great. Smack. Oh, doing that back.
Bring this left foot forward.
And then smack. Smack.
Good.
Oh,
Catch yourself.
catch. Smack. Skirt. Skirt. And then go. go. I feel, no. One, two. Then I step. Lunge. One, two. Tall. So I don't fall. Lunge. One, two, three, four, five. Lunge. One, two, three, four. Stand tall. Lunge. One, two, three, four, five. Stand tall.
One more.
Lunge. Squat. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10.
Weights.
Tall. Drop. On the weights.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I don't do friends. That's on my kid.
Lift your feet. All right, when we get to these, we're going to turn and face this way. Got it stepping towards the left. Keep straight leg.
This one easy. Oh shoot, see?
There are feet pointed towards the windows.
I'm gonna go straight though. Cause I don't play though. Bang it. And then I'm gonna say bang it again. Cause I know I did it. Bang. Turn straight. Bang. Put it in their face. You know what I'm saying?
2 steps.
I come in first. I barely come in second place.
Sideways again.
Then bring go.
Whichever way you want.
Sitting straight. Oh shoot. This path so hard.
Awesome. Hard part over.
Zoom. You know what I'm saying? Zoom. Boom. That's what it sounds like if I fail. Almost 2 times. Boom. No.
Start again.
Oh, no. Almost fell. But I caught myself. Another one.
Backwards, you got about 15 feet.
Backwards.
Nice and controlled. Good, nice and tall.
Tall. Caught it. that caraca body. Oh, oh, tough work,
Almost there.
tough work. The chair, we almost there. I think this accident wasn't fair. One, 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 two, two. Almost through. Yeah, forget what you thought you knew. Boom, boom, boom.
Nice correction.
Oh.
Put that popcorn.
Oh yeah, yeah. Triceps, bang. I get it in every time.